She said that side heavy rain.
Heavy rain.
Her side,
Oh.
Air Raja Gardens.
This side very heavy rain. Town area heavy rain I think.
That's why I brought my umbrella because her gate is auto, so I have to wait until she presses the button. So I brought my umbrella. Sometimes she's upstairs, then have to wait for her to come down, open the gate. Then I got my umbrella. Her area last week, water pressure very low. Downstairs got water, upstairs want to shower, cannot.
Oh, like this
2 weeks already, 2 weeks. Yesterday, PBA, the notice, Gertak Sanggol, Relau, that side, water cut, but they provide water tankers. But water tankers is not the same now. Not everybody can go out, carry the pails of water. We really need the rain.
No water is very...
No electricity, still okay.
Yes.
You can use torchlight, candles.
Yes,
Water. What
just
there is?
little bit oil or eating. Oh, must wash.
Yeah lah.
Eating also.
Yeah.
Eat
Toilet.
toilet. Toilet. Very difficult. Water is very important.
Very important. Good lah, at least this time the cloud seeding really worked. I don't know why they waited so long to do cloud seeding.
Cloud seeding.
Here ni raining. Slowing down. Then the road's very wet.